Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. For CA foundation level students, we have decided to start coaching even for individual subjects. Frankly speaking, it's not subjects, it's individual papers. That means it's not necessary for you to join coaching for all the subjects together. Whatever the papers you are interested to join, you can take admission for those selective papers also. There is a thin line of difference between paper and subject. For example, law and BCR, these two are two different subjects, but both together will be considered as one paper. So students can take coaching separately for the papers of number 1 accounts, number 2 business laws and BCR together, number 3 mathematics, statistics and reasoning together, number 4 economics and BCK together. It is not possible to take admission separately for each subject. That means you cannot take admission separately for business laws and BCR. You have to take coaching for business laws and BCR together. So we'll be giving separate admission for each paper, but it is not possible to take coaching separately for each subject. Coaching will be available in Zoom platform, that is through online mode, and this batch is aimed for May 2021 attempt of CA Foundation. Since coaching is available in online mode, students of any branch can comfortably join. Coaching fees for each paper will be 8,000 rupees, and the same fees will apply for the students of SSP also. That means even SSP students should also pay the same fees. This batch will be available in Guntur. Since classes are conducted in online mode, students of any branch can comfortably join. We will merge these students with CA Foundation pre-results regular batch that has started recently. So very few classes got completed in that batch and students can immediately join in this batch. So for SSP students, we have already promised one-time free coaching. Fulfilling that promise, interested students can join for free coaching. If they belong to SSP program, they can join for free coaching, but they need to take coaching for all the papers together. If they want to take coaching only for selective papers of their choice, then in such a case they need to pay fee just like any other student. So very few days got completed. Even now students can comfortably join in this batch, and we will also conduct one set of pre-final exams for the students who have joined for selective subjects. Of course, even though the student has joined for selective papers, we will conduct pre-final exams in all the papers of CA Foundation. That's why I said one set of pre-final exams. And sir, is it possible to join for multiple papers? Yes, you can. For example, one accounts paper and one economics and BCK paper. Yes, you can take admission for both the papers. For more details, you can make a call to the number 98851 25025 or 26. Dear students, we are going to offer one more facility for the students who are going to take subject-wise coaching. For example, if you have taken coaching for accounts paper, then we are going to provide RRB videos, rapid revision batch videos, free of cost to you. Let us assume you have taken admission for maths, stat and reasoning paper. Then we will provide you RRB videos of maths, stat and reasoning subjects free of cost. In this manner, whatever the paper for which you have taken coaching, we will provide you rapid revision videos of those papers free of cost to you. So as a part of rapid revision batches, in each subject, we are going to revise each subject in just a matter of 20 to 25 hours. That means by watching the videos of 20 or 25 hours, you will be able to revise the entire subject. So make best possible utilization of this opportunity. All the best, my dear students.